Doggies, boy, we had an exceptional day in the Grok day trading chat room this morning. And we talk about two trades that we had. They were on VKTX, just two of them. Here it was after opening, and it opened up extraordinarily high, up over almost 50%, and then pulled back, ran up, and that was doing what we call a bull pullback. Want to know more about a bull pullback? Just go to our site, free online tradingeducation.com, to our free chart school. Just go chart school right here, and here are the different trading patterns, and we want to talk about the bull pullback. So bull pullback here, third one, also known as a bull pullback buy. Here's a picture of it here. Look at that. It runs up and it's pulling back to a line of support and starting to roll up. If it rolls up, if the odds are in our favor, it's going to continue to the upside. So we want to set our order, let the market come to us. Let's take a look here at our one here. It pulled up here and it pulled back right to this 8 EMA, starting to roll back up. Just went above the $7 area. Set a trade, let the market come to me. Let's see what happened, and boom, look at that. We got in here long at 716 long here on VKTX, and then it running up there. So let's right away here, 1 2 3, boom boom boom, bringing my stop in the money here right along this 8 EMA. So I'm in the money, zero risk in this trade, but now it's starting to stall up here at this. It's headed to 770. It hit it here twice here, so I went ahead and I took out half here at $7.65 for 6.8% on the first half, bringing my stop up here just underneath it right here where this lower tail is, in the money. So I have a guaranteed income trade, and it's going to be a whopper here. Let's take a look here, and what happened, and boom 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 boom, went all the way up here to $8.40. Tag that, bringing my stop up here along this 8 EMA right here to 780. Let's see what happens. But you know what, this is so far away from this 8 EMA. I'm going to show you a little technique here, that when this candle went up, I took and put the stop halfway between there for 50% retracement, right? And sure enough, it came down here just about to the 50 and then took off again. So when this candle closed, I brought it up to about the 50% mark on this candle. Again, it's so far away from this 8 EMA, it's about to snap back. Let's see what happened here. And sure enough, it stayed up there a little bit and then snapped back, stopped me out at 817 on the second half for 14.1% on that second half. So let's look at the trade. Bull pullback, got long. When it stalled, I went ahead and took out half, and it was way overextended, pulled my stop up, and as soon as it snapped back right to the 8 EMA, notice that, I got out for a total of 10.5% in just 7 minutes. That's right. This was trade number 9 of the ones we had today. Let's look at trade number 10, also on VKTX. So it's basing here for a while, and it's starting to roll up here again, and now it's basing just under this at this 875 area, and starting to do another bull pullback. So I went ahead and I set a trade just above this of 875 area. If it starts to roll up again, I want to be in this one. And look at low volume on the pullback. That's good. That's always watch the volume, and then boom, and look at the volume when it took off. Look at that. I'm in at $8.81, and look at the volume as it took off. Ooh, doggies, getting way overextended up here. It shot up here real quickly, and now it's starting to pull back. So I went ahead, and again, I used that same technique. I set my stop halfway in this candle, and then when it again extraordinarily pulled away from that 8 EMA, I put it halfway in this candle, and we're still in. Let's see what happens next, and bam, it pulled right back, and I'm out at $9.13 for 3.6% in just 4 minutes. Hooah! So again, this one was moving extraordinarily, and when I'm now recording this one here at 2:30 in the afternoon, it's still up 71% on the day, and it's right now here it's at 850. So wow, pretty extraordinary day for a KTVX. But even a more extraordinary day was in the Grok day trading chat room. Look what we did here. Here we are. This is our trade log for today. We started out with a 5% trade on MDGL, and then here you can see the other ones. And we had another one at 4% on that one, and then a 3% here on VKTX. which I didn't show you that trade. What I did show you was trade number 9 here for 10% and trade number 11 here for another 3%. So I ended up trading that one 4 times today on a VKTX, and look at these results for the weekday. This is unbelievable. 69% success rate. We did 9 out of 13 trades, but I cut my losers short and let my winners run, baby. And look at this. Our goal is 5% per day return on risk, 10% stretch. We were at 29.8% for the day. Ooh, doggies. Now that's investing $10,000 per trade. That would be how much we'd have at risk on each trade. 1% equals $100. That would be $2,900 in 2 hours worth of trading this morning. And quite honestly, we got 90% of that in the first hour today. Yeah, then we kind of backed it off after those extraordinary trades. So this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, if you'd like to join us in the Grok day trading chat room, you can. Just go to groktrade.com. Just go to groktrade.com. That's right. Go up here where it says day trading chat room, and you can join us. We do trade from about 9:30 until 11:30 each morning Eastern time, and we start preparing about 9 o'clock Eastern. If you want to know more about what the day trading is about and you actually learn a few secrets about it, you can go to our webinar right here. Just register there, and you can also get an extraordinary offer to join us for a full year at a unbelievably discounted price. Or you can go here to our go ahead and read about it here, and then you can always join us on a monthly basis. You join right there, and then you can cancel at any time. You know, get 7 days risk free. If you don't like it after 7 days, that's fine. Gout, no cost at all. Otherwise, you know, you can cancel at any time. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that emotions while trading will kill your account, both good emotions and bad. After I had a couple of these extraordinary trades, I had to take a tilt break today, folks, for several minutes just to get my heart rate back down so I could see the charts clearly and trade with ration and discipline. Trade well.